You know, I get way more ladies than you ever could, bro. And if you were nicer than me, bro, I could get you a wife that would suck your dick anytime you want.
Alright, man. Keep it to yourself.
So you guys just waiting for the time when I...
Hi everyone, Squink here, back with another video. I used to be a cop, not anymore. Instead, I do these videos every single day where I walk into a brand new situation blindly and try to give you a glimpse into how the law enforcement brain is working. Because I used to be in law enforcement, I believe that's the best way for you to get a glimpse into what the hell the cops are doing. Because everyone wants to know that question. What the hell are the cops doing? So hopefully I can answer that question. And whatever else pops up in today's video, which comes from Body Cam Files. Guy meets no nonsense cop. Ends badly. Alright, here we go. I've never seen this.
On June 6, 2021, the police were called to a building about a man harassing customers as they entered. Upon arrival, an officer confronted the suspect.
Yeah? Because people are calling in about you harassing people down here.
I've been here all day getting food.
What?
I've been here all day getting food.
Go ahead.
Apparently not, or else I wouldn't be here.
That's sad.
Thank you, Connor.
Do they want me to go home or something?
You have ID on you?
Yeah, why?
So I can run your ID? I seem to be running into you a lot lately.
Not really.
Well, to see you 4 times in the last 2 days, that's a lot to me.
Left them inside.
Inside of where?
So why can I not go in there with Pats, but everyone else can when they don't work there all the time?
What are you talking about?
What I'm talking about.
Nobody called me to say that you were inside of anywhere.
I know, but they said I was being weird and acting up.
They said that you were harassing people, like their customers that are coming in, you're giving them a hard time for whatever reason or bothering them. And that's why I'm over here.
They never said anything towards me, so that's on them. But like, I understand, man. Let me go get my wallet, bro.
Stop.
Okay, bro.
Why is your wallet inside of this building?
Because I walked in there to change, because I went to go look for change for my family.
So you just randomly left your wallet inside the building. That's the one thing you left in there. Alright, let's go down here and get your...
What is this place?
Where's your
So
wallet?
I can't be in there, bro?
Are you a guest here?
Yeah.
You checked, you have a room here?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go find out. You got a room here? If you got a room here, then of course you can.
I'm gonna guess he doesn't have a room here. That's just my guess. I could be very judgmental in saying that, but I don't think he has a room here.
Why in there, bro? I just can't see not here.
Well, where's the entrance to the place? You tell me.
Yeah, you live here.
See how you think you get me. But yeah.
Where's the wallet?
Gone now.
Okay. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me.
No.
Don't do anything.
I'm good.
Hey, don't do anything stupid.
Don't touch me.
Don't.
You don't have the right to touch me, bro.
Stop. You're about to get
I'm not
tased.
resisting right now.
You are resisting. Stop.
I have
I'm putting you in
the right-
handcuffs for my safety and yours.
No, bro.
You're not IDing yourself.
No, bro.
You don't have...
People often mistake handcuffs for they are going to jail. That's sincerely not the case. I would say I detained more people in handcuffs than I actually took to jail. And when it's a 1v1 situation, you have yet to identify this person. While you're investigating an actual crime, harassment, or disorderly conduct, whatever you want to call it, he can legally put him in an investigative detention in handcuffs until backup arrives, until he's identified, for as long as he wants. It's well within the means of the law for him to do that.
The wallet that you said was here. You understand?
I understand. Keep doing it. Keep doing it to me, man. Whatever you're doing, bro.
I'm trying very hard not to send this direction it needs to go.
Okay. I understand, bro. You are high as fuck. Get off.
Stop.
I'm out of here, dude. Get off me, bro.
Stop.
You stop. What are you doing?
Stop.
You gotta pull George Floyd, boy. Yeah, because you guys don't care, bro. I'm not doing anything, bro.
Bruh.
You can't do anything to me for no reason, bro.
Bruh.
You are not working.
Bruh.
You're making no money right now, bro.
Your hands.
Why? Oh God.
When you
why?
push an officer, this is what happens.
What are you doing? Are you arresting me?
Now I am, yes.
Do you have probable cause?
Yes.
No, you don't.
Yeah, you
bro.
pushed.
Get the fuck off of me.
You pushed an
Get the
officer,
fuck
so yes,
off of
now I have
me,
probable
bro.
cause.
Fuck off. Get off of me, bro. Smoke. Fuck. Chris. Someone, bro. Get this motherfucker up. Get off of me.
Put your other hand
Get
down.
off of me, bro.
That's your other hand.
Okay. I got it, you man. I understand.
I don't know how one cop wasn't able. I really don't know how one cop was not able to get control of this pencil neck.
Stand up.
I get it.
Yeah, thank you.
Sorry for banging, my God. Get off of me, please.
Get your weapons on you.
Like I really don't know why the handcuffs didn't go on a lot sooner. I don't know why he waited till backup, but I guess that's an effective measure to wrench up on the back arm and place him in a hold like that until backup arrives.
Scaring me, bro.
Stop.
You shut up. You're moving me like a cow right now.
Walk then.
Get me off. Please, I don't want to do.
This looks like a nice area, actually.
Am I being detained, arrested?
Now you're arrested.
Arrested for what?
For obstructing
You're throwing hands with
and
me.
then resisting.
No, bro. I'm not going to precinct. No, bro.
Too late,
No,
bud.
bro. I'm gonna go in. All right, bro. Yeah, I'm bet. Bet. Yeah, you keep touching me anyway. Bro, I bet. Whatever.
Let's see.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Be nice to me, bro.
Be nice to you, but I thought you were a hardened criminal guy. I thought you knew the streets.
Put your feet in.
You acted like it. No one's tough in the back of a cop car.
That wasn't even me. That was fucking Tyler, bro. I mean,
Fucking Tyler, ding dong ditching. Now he's in trouble for no reason.
I'm in a place looking for a shower, and I'm poor, and I'm making money off of being poor. So what?
Your name?
What?
Garrett. It might be in there as Gary. Yeah, that sexy man. You happy for me? I got up and went and got that all on my own, bro. Went out and got a job. Well, not a job, but an application for a job.
That's
Do
good.
you guys realize what you just did to me, dude? Like, yeah, I moved my hands a little bit, but bruh.
You did not move your hands a little bit.
Yeah, I did. Because you guys were well, not you guys, but your buddy over there, 288 something. Or 429, no.
7, 8,
Whatever, bro.
6.
I don't even know why you guys eat, bro. Probably should have. Would have done nothing, though. I'm used to being beat on. What about you? No, probably not. Can I just ask why?
Why what?
Why you're being mean?
Why what?
Why you think you're being... Why are you being a dick?
I tried to explain to you what we were doing.
You know, I get way more ladies than you ever could, bro. And if you were nicer than me, bro, I could get you a wife that would suck your dick anytime you wanted,
Alright,
bro.
man. Keep it to yourself.
So you guys just waiting for the time when I just put a noose around?
So hold on. You can get me a wife that'll suck my Johnson anytime I want, but you can't find a job and you can't behave yourself in public settings? Fucking Tyler. Ding dong ditching. And now he's in the back of a cop car for no reason. This matchmaker.
Around my neck or something, bro. You ain't gonna care when I die or something? Because, you know, I've been threatened multiple times, and you guys aren't even helping me, bro. You guys are supposed to help. You think I'm wrong? Hello? Come on, you went to school for this, bro. Why can't you be straight up with me?
What's your question?
Why don't you love me?
Sorry.
I put money into you guys. So you guys can have all this nice stuff to help catch people
I thought you were poor.
that do uncriminalized things. Someone from your family have cancer? I can help with that. I'm a cancer researcher. That's why I smoke.
Garrett was charged with
Wow.
failure to provide identification and resisting arrest without violence.
I've never understood the resisting arrest without violence charge. Yeah, I've just never understood that. Okay, so he was harassing people going in and out of, I think this is a gym. I think it said like fitness or something. You can't do that. People don't like to be harassed. This isn't just a carnival. Because I guess carnivals harass people. Anyway, yeah. Resisting without violence. Okay, I give the cops a B. If he were to put him in an investigative detention a lot sooner, I would have given him an A. But I guess holding him in that position with the arm bar behind his back is effective until backup arrives, but I don't know how you don't get control of someone of this stature on your own. But whatever. Like I said, you can't harass people. You can't push at cops. Like, you're going to get dumped to the ground. That's just the way it goes. That's what they train you to do. Because oftentimes, the reason cops dump people to the ground at the first, raising of the hands or anything like that is because if they're going to do it once, they're going to do it again. And they're going to keep doing it until they have control. So it's best you get control immediately, right away. And that's what we saw. Give them a B. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Happy Friday. Bye.